So the issue is access. There are areas, talking about Lincolnshire particularly, it's a large rural county, and there are areas geographically less exposed to some of this. There are areas of isolation and which can cause gaps, and and that's my concern, that patients are missing out opportunity because either we are not clever enough to identify them, or because there is no a direct connection with either primary, secondary care. So what I'm thinking is, if all of those information are somewhere, and we know they are, so patients' diagnosis, patients' clinical journey, patients' treatment, etc., and they are in a large database that is not site specific, so it's not just limited to the county where you work, the hospitals where you work in, but it's shared, with all the limitations that we described before, then that could be an automatic mechanism of selecting those patients and matching with those type of trials. And that would have a huge impact on that patient's experience. A correct use of clinical data, which include laboratory data, imaging, and clinical information, could help society in different ways. In one way is facilitating access independently from your geography or where you live, and independently from your socioeconomic background. It can potentially be used to identify flags and allow a diagnosis to happen earlier. And I'm thinking about chronic condition. I'm thinking about cardiovascular and cancer particularly, but also can help identifying new way of communicating with the population, about healthcare.